So I just replaced the string on this Steinway piano. You can see it's this one here, right at the end. So this one, the first one, this is the one that I replaced. And I put it up sharp, about 18 cents sharp, because I expected the wire will stretch. So I can't obviously leave it like that because it sounds very off, this unison. So I'm gonna play it for you so you can hear it. And the reason again is that I put the new string sharper because I expected it will go flat in the coming weeks to a month or so. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert this wedge. It's a damper wedge. I'm going to insert in between the string that I did not replace and the one from the next key. So basically the one from the next key. This way I'm muting two strings from two keys and I'm letting one of the strings ring. And this is acceptable now. I tuned it a little bit sharp and you can tell when I play the octave. But I expect in about 24 hours or so this unison will go approximately 10 cents flat. So the octave won't sound as off as it is right now. And then when I come to tune the piano next time, I'm going to remove this wedge and tune the string, and it should feel just fine.